What's up guys, Z628 here. Welcome to part 2 of the cylinder head removal of the R56 Mini S. So far we pretty much did it in front end service mode. We have the intake, a lot of the stuff taken off when it comes to the top of it. Not really a lot of stuff, but like some of the stuff here. We have brand new radiator hoses from Mishimoto. So silicone coolant lines across the whole board in the car, so you know, radiator hoses from the front end are leaving. We ordered a new intercooler, so that old intercooler is leaving. I ordered a new downpipe, so we'll be taking down the downpipe today. I ordered this tool from Amazon for $6 and it came today. I'm really hoping it's the right size. Yes it is, sweet. That way has the opening for the cable. It's a 7/8 or a 22 millimeter. Yeah, it's a 22 millimeter. CRV, that's a Honda. And then I also ordered this fastener clips for Mini specific stuff, because obviously with doing all this, a lot are missing. Just to preface this video, this isn't like a tutorial on how to do this. I'm just kind of going through it, watching other videos online. Pretty much so far, I haven't really watched any videos. I just kind of took everything off. Unfortunately, this was like barely hanging on, and this is the horn, and it like unplugged. But there's another one here. So I don't know how that works, but I probably just will unplug it. What happened with this one? It looks like it just like fully broke off. Car's been sitting for about 2 years before I bought it, so who knows what's going on with it. But yeah, the car has a head gasket issue, so that's what we're doing. But yeah, this is the second part. I don't know how long these episodes are, but if you want to check out other things, I've done a transmission removal and replacement on a Ford Escape, camera replacement, you know, little videos like that. So if you guys want to check out the other content, hit the subscribe button down below. That way you guys can follow that. Anyways. Oh, this car is so dusty, man. Downpipe is out. I think I broke the connector because I was hammering the hell out of it to take it out. But I still have to get this O2 sensor out. So this is the old downpipe. Here's the new one. Catless, no mufflers, louder, more flow. And yeah, way lighter too. Significantly lighter. All right, so this engine bay is completely dirty. It's so bad. So what I'm gonna try to do, like you can just see it's so caked on and it's just getting everywhere and it's annoying to work with. So what I'm gonna try to do is, the exhaust doesn't matter too much because that's all that's exposed, but I can just put some tissue there. Radiator, coolant hoses don't matter because those are being replaced. Just the turbo, because that's what I have to take off next. And then just the plugs here, which again, that doesn't really matter, I don't think, because it's whatever. But I'm just gonna brake cleaner the hell out of it after I clear this out a little bit here on the bottom. And then get some water and just push it all down, because it is just really, really tough to work with. So that is the plan. All right, so got it cleaned up as much as I can. Even got in there a bit, but that's what we're looking like now. Still really bad, but a lot better. This I'm not too worried about because that's like the easy part. But yeah, just made sure that's all kind of cleaned up. Did it as safe as I can, but who knows how safe it actually was. But nothing went into the turbo, like everything on the end was purely dried out. I just took them out right now. I wish it was forwarded just a bit more, because then the sun would be perfectly hitting it, but like the front's already drying out, like where the turbo is at and stuff. So I'm just gonna let it kind of drip dry for a bit. Probably just start working on the turbo right now. That's something I can do, and the valve cover just to get that out of the way on there. So that's probably the next step on here. All right, valve cover is coming off. I got everything disconnected. I believe there's nothing else connected to it. Just this little holder, and that's that. Valve cover is off. I don't know what that was. Oh, we got, oh, that's the gasket, okay. The gasket got like completely glued in, not glued in, but like melted on this part. So I'm just cutting it so I can actually take it off. All right, get brand new gaskets either way. And that's that, that's the valve cover. All right, here it is off. You can see it looks clean because obviously water and coolant was running through it, but should I upgrade the camshafts? Kidding. Definitely won't do that. There's the timing chain that we're gonna replace, but I can't do anything with the timing yet because I don't have the tool to hold it in timing. But yeah, that's the cylinder head of the Mini Cooper. Next step is gonna be the manifold, intake manifold or whatever. That should be, I think, the last steps before I can touch this. So that's what I want to finish today on this episode is turbo, exhaust manifold, intake manifold. That way everything is off of it that I believe needs to be taken off, other than the timing. I could be wrong, there might be more things. I know I have to do the engine mount as well eventually, so we'll have a support from the bottom to hold that and stuff. But yeah, that's later once we get to that point. So it's going good. Putting it together though, it's gonna be hard. Intake and something else. I don't know what this is. What did I order from? Oh, it's the my cylinder heads. Cylinder heads, studs I should say, and spark plugs. Okay, so this is the whole order from CTS tuning, or ECS tuning, sorry. Got some factor meals. If anyone wants this code and use factor meals, go right ahead. You probably can't see it because the GoPro is amazing up close. So there's that for you guys. A free beer machine from Pantera or something. Use code AUTO26. Claim at pantera.com/auto26. If anyone wants that. Cool. Yeah, they kind of fell apart in the box. They were supposed to be like all nice and up here, but yeah. All the cylinder heads for cylinder head studs for when we do the cylinder head. Oh yeah. Intake stuff, I'm not gonna open it now because I don't need it, but cool. I am struggling with a bitch to take this off. But once I take that off, take the oil feed out from the top and a little bit more to take the turbo off. Got that tube out. What a bitch. There's so much coolant coming out, which is fine. I want to drain as much as I can out. 18. Oil line. We have an 8mm bolt right here. Alright, so the next step is going to be taking pretty much the bolts off of the manifolds. So I'm just going to get some PV blaster on these suckers. There's 10 of them, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there should be one probably up top somewhere. I just don't see it. There she is. Let that soak a bit. While I'm at it, get the intake manifold to soak. All right, it's an 11mm on these guys, so this is the last step to take the turbo out. So pretty exciting. Oh, well, my swivel broke. Nice. Thing broke. That's one. Two. Three. 4. 5. And then we just have one more that I have to take off this thing here, and that's an E7. See, this one can come out, but I don't know why that top one fell off when I was taking off the downpipe, because this is the only one that has a E7 on it, weirdly. Or at least I think it is, because this one here, there's nothing to really grab onto while taking it off. Take that one off. That's it. Boom. Holy crap. It's so heavy. It's not like so heavy, but I never did this before. So this is something here. I saw something else fall. This is the gasket, which I'll be replacing. I'm gonna keep it on there for now. There it is. So these two fell off, or come off with it. Oh, so this whole thing comes with it. Oh wow. So this is like a heat shield and thing on it. So I'm gonna take these two 10mm bolts off. Oh, so that connects to this whole thing here on the bottom. Okay. So I'll take all of this off now. And then this comes off. I'm keeping it just in case, because I'm pretty sure the gasket kit that I'm ordering comes with that on there. So I wonder if I have to take the studs off. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take the studs off. Unless, yeah, I guess it all comes out together. That's the head gasket right there. Nice. So it's right there. We're so close. So there it is on that part. You can see how there's just like crud everywhere on it. Yeah, we'll see. We're close. Pretty much I want to take this off as well, the intake manifold. Once that's off, then if I'm not mistaken, engine mount and timing chain, but I can't do that until the 25th because I don't have the timing chain kit. So if I can get that off, I don't know. I saw the bolts, but I'm pretty sure it's not just those ones holding it, and I don't know how you would access the under ones. I'm not sure, but I'll have to see. All right, I think that's it for the manifold, because it's fully moving. I just need to see if anything's in the way or what's holding it. But yeah, it's freely moving, so I think that's all the bolts. Pretty easy access points, which is nice. Seems like it's easier on the S versus the regular one. But I'm just trying to see now with removing this. Just have some stuff in the way. But yeah, it's fully taken off. The bracket I think was broken, or I probably broke it on the bottom part to fully disconnect it. I did remove this hose here. Yeah, I think we have to take off those fuel rails because it's just being like held. There's just so much stuff being held with this underneath. But if this can just be disconnected and that's all I have to do to take this cylinder head off, that would be nice, because that fuel line is like, that fuel rail is like right there. And looking at it, if the gasket's there, the fuel rail is like right there. So I'm pretty sure I have to take it off, and it would make sense that I would have to. Plus I would want to switch the gasket on this thing too. Again, I'm getting a full gasket kit. And then pretty much that's all I can do, because again, I have to have like a timing thing here. I just realized this thing fell here. I have that. I have another one here as well. There's two of these. Should leave it there. I'm gonna keep looking at this. I'm watching this guy's video. I'm pretty much watching videos separated because it just makes it easier. But yeah, I'm watching this guy's video for the intake manifold removal. So I'm almost ready to take out the manifold. Holy crap. What a pain in the ass this is. It's crazy how bad this one is. Oh, there it is. Fuck. Oh, that's it. Intake manifold is out. What a design, man. That is gonna be so shitty putting back together. I think once I take the fuel line and injectors off, that's it. But I'm not gonna do that today because I am a disastrous mess and I've been working on this all day. But pretty much, not kind of like the bumper and stuff like that, but about 2 days, like 2.5, 3 days of work to get this far. Taking my time because I'm slow and retarded. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm trying to keep it as best organized as I can. I should just put that next to the turbo, but I'm not because I know it's there. But yeah, it's holy shit, it's stacking up. So I am gonna end this episode here. So thank you guys so much for joining me on part 2 of the Mini Cooper head gasket slash whatever upgrade. Hopefully it works. Who knows? Hope I can put it back together. Who knows? But thank you guys for joining me on part 2 of it. If you guys liked it, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more of the Mini Cooper and more of the Ford Escape, I did a transmission swap on that and all that. If you've heard enough. Plus the Vegas trip that we took, which was absolutely insane. Hit the subscribe button down below. Yeah, you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day. D6208's out.